Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on OnePlus 12R. And to do this, first we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device, first one being on the bottom right here, then another one is on top of the screen, and that is actually all of the speakers. Keep in mind that this one is actually phone call speaker. And now to test if this device does have the stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If not, then that means this device doesn't have it. Now let's try it out. Okay, and clearly sound is coming from both of the sources, which confirms that this device does have it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.